Hello everyone, my name is Mike and here at Tech Car Moon we uncover tech at home and in video. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, but today I have the Samson SR850s, so let's uncover them right now. I bought these headphones back in November of 2019 and I have been using it constantly when I'm video editing, so having a good pair of headphones like these are really important. Now I know there are loads of more expensive products out there that do a better job, but for getting an accurate idea of how my audio sounds at this price point, these really do a great job. Now you may be asking, why wouldn't I edit my audio using Bluetooth earbuds or a normal set of headphones, for example? Well, there is a huge difference when you're editing with a normal set of headphones and a pair of reference headphones like these. A lot of headphones are skewed to different sort of audio preferences. Like for example, if you edited with a set of Beats headphones, they will be pretty bass heavy, so you will not be able to know how realistic your audio will be. So when you're editing your audio with a set of Beats, they will not be quite right on other devices and headphones. Having a pair of reference headphones means that you can edit your audio correctly, so when your music or videos are being played on TVs, mobile phones or earbuds, they will sound consistent. Hence why you may see some of your favorite creators with reference monitor speakers or reference headphones. Before investing in a pair of headphones like these, my videos didn't have the best audio all out. So if you're going to be running, if you're going to be doing a lot of high intensity gym work, you're going to be absolutely fine with these headphones. And that was because it was hard to process my audio, and even putting a background music track, it was really hard to tell how to adjust my music so my voice wouldn't be drowned out by it. Hopefully now my audio sounds a lot better than before. These headphones have a frequency response of 10 Hz to 30,000 Hz, which can handle any music source that you throw at it. These are semi-open back headphones which offer a wide soundstage, but unlike a lot of other open back headphones, these have got a good frequency response in the bass. These also have got excellent mid-range and higher ends too, and in my opinion are really hard to find even when you spend 3 to 4 times the amount of these Samsons. This is in part thanks to the proprietary 50mm drivers and the open ear design that enhances the ambient listening, allowing appropriate bleed for better sound imaging and stereo imaging, as well as a wider soundstage. Also, for longer periods of time, these weren't fatiguing. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please drop me a like. The headband itself is self-adjusting, which is super convenient, and even when I do a 6-hour editing session, these were super comfortable. The earpads are made of this sort of velour, which was really surprising at this price point, although it is a bit firm and the quality isn't as good as the velour pads found on more expensive headphones, but I really like them. I do wish they were a bit softer, but they didn't get sweaty and they were still comfortable even on longer listening sessions. In terms of accessories that you get with these headphones, there isn't any except for basically a jack adapter. There is a nice long 2.5 meter long cable, but unfortunately the cable is not replaceable without some surgery. I really wish this did have a removable cable, as having this long cable can be annoying, and being able to swap it out for a short cable would have been useful. But I'm glad they've included a long cable out of the box, as it is always better to have too much cable than too little. I just use a little cable tidy to keep the excess cable at bay. So would I recommend these headphones for editing your videos or for editing your audio? Well, if you don't have the money to go buy the Philips Fidelio X2HRs or the Bayer Dynamic DT990 Pros, which, may I add, are really amazing headphones for the money, then I definitely think that you can get 90% of the performance for a quarter of the price. And this is a huge achievement from Samson. Having affordable gear like this is just as important as having good camera gear. And if you're looking at taking your video editing or audio editing to the next level, then for about £25, you really can't go wrong with these. But there we have it. As always, this is a discussion, so leave a comment down below on whether you agree or disagree with any of my points, and if this video has helped you out. If you want to pick up a pair of these headphones, then please check out the link in the description below to support the channel. If you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TechCarMoon, Also, drop me a like if you've enjoyed this video and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. Also, click on these videos if you want to watch more. But anyway, everyone, look after yourselves and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.